Binili ko ng isang last week. Last week ko lang to binili. Hindi din ito burger. Dami pa ako doon. Mag-box ako. Ayan, dami, di ba? Marami ako dito. Meron pa yan doon. Okay, nahulog na si Boy. Nahulog si Boy. This Ikamo, what's the name? Nahulog na siya. Yeah, I buy the lollipop. That's why, ay, nako. I don't want anymore. I buy that one. Then I know it. Huh? Wasting of money, no? Kamo. I just buy, then don't know it. That's one I don't want buy. I just want to buy. I can eat biscuit, that one, or chocolate. So I buy. But lollipop, I don't want it. Okay. Ano lang. Still have the lollipop. You bought a lot of lollipop, did you? Yes. The doll is character from comic book called Slam Dunk. Which doll? That one? The man? Basketball? Which one? This? Alaga ko yan. Laruan ng alaga ko yan, sis. Tinapon na. Ginawa ko lang. Which doll? That one? Oh. Kain tayo, kamuti, Q. Yan, sarap yan, sis. Which one? The pink color? This? Ay. What's the name? Ang cute ng manika. Cute na, sis. Mayroong color yellow, red. Ang mga damit nila. Sabi ko sa'yo, dami akong laruan dito. Mga anik-anik. Mag-box ako next month. Pa-box ko na yan. Kasi yung higaan ko puno na naman laruan. Ano pa binigay sa akin amo ko kanina kahapon? Cute nito. Ito itong mukha niya. Wait, saan ikaw? This? Hello. Yung magsalita, hindi ko na inano. Yung si cactus. Hello. Dewi, simple long time connected to you. One video, watch my friend. Which one? Cute niyan. Cute nga siya. Yung mata niya. Guanico, muchas gracias. Buenos dias, buenas tardes. Cute nito, no? Ito ba? Ito, cute. Ang ano niya. Ito, gusto ko nito ay lips niya. Lips. I like the lips. Cute. Hi everyone. Thank you for coming. Kwaniko. Kwanakito Vlogs. Ayan, so cute. This Ikamo,